Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy and sell on Binance, so stay tuned.
Make sure to press the bell icon to never miss another update.
Welcome to the Crypto Mining Channel, your one-stop shop for all things crypto. If you like making money, make sure to press the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check out the ultimate crypto guide which I created for you to navigate through the wonderful world of cryptocurrency. Because I know you're a money maker, I even added a free crypto kit which will make you hundreds of dollars worth of free cryptocurrency. So if you want to trade, you go to trade. I suggest you take the classic one. If you're an advanced user, you can choose the advanced interface. But I'll show you the classic one. So I want to sell some OMG. So you input your coin, OMG. So you can exchange into USD, into Binance USD, into Bitcoin or Ethereum. Make sure when you sell your coin, and for example, if you want to buy a new coin, that you exchange it in crypto or fiat, for which you can also buy the coin you want. So for example, I want to buy this coin, and we see that only Binance USD and Ethereum is available to exchange. So I have to sell it in either BUSD or in Ethereum. So let's say Ethereum. Okay, so I choose this market. So I want to sell all my OMG. So you have to decide if you want to sell instantly or you put a limit order. So market is just you sell at the current market price, or you can input a limit price. The current price of one OMG is 0.003 Ethereum. For example, if you want to sell higher, you can input 0.4 or even 0.5. Then you'll have to wait, but the moment it reaches that amount, it will sell your OMG starting from this amount. Same for buying. You can input a buying order. You say I want to buy OMG at this price. You just input the price. It's as easy as that. So market price, I'm gonna sell 50% of my OMG. No, let's say 20%. So sell OMG, market Ethereum, sell OMG, boom. Market sell order filled. So it's immediately. So if you want to put a limit order, sell OMG, then you check a little bit what the prices are here and how much. Here it went up a little bit. So for example, you can choose 0.004, 0.004, input a limit order, and then I will receive at that Ethereum price, I will receive this amount of Ethereum. So sell OMG, boom, limit sell order created, as you can see here. Order history, OMG Ethereum, I bought at market price, so this is what I got. So now let's see how to buy. So I want to buy this coin, and I have to buy it with Ethereum. So this is the current coin price, as we can see here. We can also see that here, but I'm just gonna do a market order. So I want to buy at market price. I want to buy for 0.2 Ethereum, 0.2 Ethereum, buy this coin, and then I press buy. Immediately it is filled. So it's as easy as that, guys, to buy and sell on Binance. Check out my channel for more crypto tutorials and also especially for more money making tips. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below. Of course, don't read the video description for interesting info and links. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the crypto mining channel. I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss another update. Join the Bitcoin revolution.